Hi, I'm Styló Stylus, and I'm the creative architect for Just Think Design. I'd like to present the Styló. I started this project during my senior year of the architecture program at the Illinois Institute of Technology, and it's finally reaching a production phase, which I'm extremely excited about. Ever since I first started using a tablet, I've been looking for that perfect stylus that joins design and function, and I still haven't found one. So I decided to design my own. The Styló is made from premium materials and was designed based on how you interact with the tablet. It has rare earth magnets built in, so it attaches to the side of your iPad 2 screen. It also has a double tip design, so you can just grab it and use it. There's no wrong side to use on any touchscreen device. The Styló was designed from the beginning to be a stylus. It was never a pen, so the design is completely unique to anything on the market. I'm very excited to present this project to you, and thank you for taking the time to support the Styló, whether it be through funding it or sharing our project with your family and friends. We really appreciate it. Thank you.